An exothermic reaction follows the mechanism. This is the given mechanism. Write the energy profile diagram for this. First see the energy profile diagram for this. Potential energy versus reaction coordinate. First I will draw the graph and then I will explain how it is considered. First thing is here we can see the mechanism. There are three intermediates. C, D, E are the intermediates. So this reaction is with three intermediates. And energy of the reactants is less than energy of the products. Energy of the products. So that's why it is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Now A plus B gives rise to C is a fast step. Even C gives rise to D is also fast step. But D gives rise to E is slow step and E gives rise to products is fast step. So when compared with the fast step, slow step should have the more activation energy. So that's why I given for D gives rise to E with a high activation energy. Because if the speed of the reaction is less or slow, then activation energy is more. Then A plus B gives rise to C and then C gives rise to D. There is I shown little difference between A plus B gives rise to C and C gives rise to D because the conversion of A plus B to C will take a bit more time when compared with the C gives rise to D. Because of that I shown small difference, but both are fast reactions only. So like this we can identify the energy profile diagram for the given question.